We're finally at the last part of Session 8's lecture material for CMS-476, College of Santa Fe Database Design. We've taken a UML class model that we built very simply using Argo UML. We passed that UML model through Joel Burton's excellent online tool and received a zip file. We downloaded Plone, installed Plone and its ZOP web services running an object-oriented database. We unzipped the output from Joel Burton's website into the products folder of our new Plone software. We started Plone running. We went into site setup and installed the add-on product that we just created. Now we're ready to take a look at it. Here's the Plone site. I'm back at the top of my Plone site. I click on Add New. Again, things will be spread out in a more pleasing way for you using a full page instead of a small screen like I am. You should see a patient's object down here alphabetically. It happens to be at the very bottom. Again, in the interest of time, I click on patients, but I've already got that started in another tab. There's a default title. It could be a patient ID. It then can contain the information that we need to store that bit of information about a patient. That's written to our object-oriented database. It's now available. It'll be immediately accessible by searching the site. There's a search engine inherent in Plone. It will appear in our navigation panel. It will show up in our recent items portlet. All kinds of wonderful new behaviors become possible with an extreme minimum of effort. This paradigm of creating a UML model, passing it to an online tool, receiving a zip file that you expand into the Plone products folder, and with in our case absolutely no customization, we have a object in our database with behaviors for adding, editing, deleting, searching, and otherwise processing patient information. This is a huge productivity gain over working in an SQL world and then hooking it up to some kind of a web service. We'll see in week number 9, in session 9, how we can provide the same functionality but with a great deal more effort involved to get an SQL database to appear on the web. This concludes this evening's screencast.